Good afternoon, this is Christian with Tadlock Roofing. We were at 2569 Sandalwood Circle, standing on the back half of this house. As you can see, we are on a 3-tab roof with wind damage. A lot of the shingles still have a little bit of adhesive, but what you'll hear as I'm walking is the crunch. That's the granule depletion and the age of the roof coming into a factor. You can see here that the shingles are bent back on this slope and wind damage. Now, we're gonna come up top of the ridge. I recommend updating the ventilation on a roof like this, always, just because we wanna expel more heat out of the house as much as possible. That way you can have the longevity and the strength of these shingles. I think the ventilation actually would come into a great deal with this home. The shingles are broken and brittle, non-repairable. In this sense, we've got a scattered 30 shingles at least, with potential water intrusion. Majority of the ones I'm finding have light rust underneath them on those nail heads, where it means water's been sitting there. But again, there's a few that are absolutely rusted all the way through, and kind of scare me at this point when you have such a rusted nail. You're looking at the elements have been exposed to more of the elements than needed. We've got a little bit of a kick on a lower slope here, but we've got the modified bit underneath there. They installed this roof correctly to help with water coming off the roof. And then this is the garage. Just to give you an example real quick, not rusted, rusted. So water's been sitting on this for some time. I wouldn't be surprised. The decking doesn't feel soft, but if water's been actually sitting on this area. But you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 just on this one slope alone. And again, scattered throughout the entire roof. The same goes for it is non-repairable, and we would be, in our professional opinion, doing a replacement on this roof for the simple factor of age and the amount of wind damage that this roof has occurred through the last storms. Thank you.